If you don't know how to steal food from the fridge, let me tell you how to steal food from the fridge.